How to add pricing tables to Hostinger website builder. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add pricing tables to Hostinger website builder. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hostinger, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a global web hosting provider that offers affordable and user-friendly solutions for individuals and small businesses and growing online brands, in which it provides a wide range of services, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, and domain registration, all designed to deliver fast performance and reliable uptime. And now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click My Account button on the top right to sign in. Then you will be directed on this homepage after signing in. Now the next thing that we need to do is to click to the website option on the left side panel, and we can now start clicking the edit website to proceed. But in creating a table, we can use some other platform that will help us to start generating a table for the pricing plan. And that includes this Canva. All you need to do is simply go to the template section and just simply search pricing table. Upon searching on it, you should be directed in here, in which it will show you all of these kind of templates that is offered for free, while some of it need to have a premium account to access or customize it. So I'm just going to simply choose the free one in here that is offered by Canva, which is this one as an example, and click customize this template to proceed. By doing so, all you need to do from here is to simply start customizing everything, including the name of this each plan. I'm going to make it a starter plan, and for the second one, I'm going to make it, for instance, a platinum plan. While for the third one, I'm just going to make it simple premium plan. And in here, instead of customizing the pricing plan or the pricing, I'm not going to customize this, or I'm going to keep it that way. While also for the feature, you could also customize depending on your preferences. I'm going to delete this select plan button, and I'm going to simply also customize other things, including the background if you want to, or you could also customize this monthly plan web domain context. But from here, I'm just going to keep this that way, or you could also start clicking any elements in here or color palette depending on your preferences as well. But as you can see, this is basically what it looks like, and click the share button on the top right corner once you're done. Then proceed on this pop-up window to click the download button and choose the file type, either PNG or JPG. Now after successfully downloading it, you could also use some other platform to create a table, and this one is called Tables Generator. All you need to do is simply go to this file option on the top left corner, and it will show you in here how you can start creating or start making a table. All you need to do is simply enter here the number of rows and also the number of columns. I'm going to keep this 3 by 3 and start entering here everything that is also in here also. So including this starter plan, or the name of each plan, starter, platinum, and premium plan. So now as you can see, I've now successfully entered here or create a new table. Now to start adding it to our Hostinger, from here on this website, all you need to do is simply choose here the section that you want to add the pricing table. So as you can see, I'm going to add it in here. Now let's start adding the Canva that has been created. I'm going to click here either gallery in here, or alternatively, since it is only one image, instead of gallery, I'm going to enter or insert here the image, which is this one. By clicking on it, to simply edit image button, or click replace image to proceed, and upload the images that we have already downloaded from Canva that we just make the pricing table from the template, and click select. And once done, it will automatically be able to change in here. You can start changing the location a bit and the sizes, depending on your preferences, to make it like this, or even to make it bigger if you want to. Well, to start adding the other kind of table that has been generated on the other website, just click the elements and click embed code button in here. And after that, just simply copy the code in here and paste it directly in our Hostinger. Then you should be able to see here the table that has been created with corresponding information, and that includes the pricing, the feature, and many more. But as you can see, it is currently loading at this point, so all we need to do is simply save it and preview it to see what it looks like. But overall, that is just basically how we can start adding a pricing tables to hosting our website builder. Thank you.